Children, today we are continuing the same topic, chapter 9, rational numbers. Operations on rational numbers. Operations means what? We have to deal with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The first we are going to do of addition based questions. So the first one, 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. Because why in this step is easy for you means we have already learned in fractions, right? So the denominator is the same, that is 3 only. So just add the numerator, 1 plus 5, that is 6. Again simplification 2. Now how these like fractions, because the denominator is same, this is called like fractions only. Like fractions, how we can represent on the number line? It is starting with 1 by 3. That means here it is 1 by 3. Already you learned the representation of the number line, the rational numbers on the number line. So 1 by 3 we are starting from here. Now 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is same as 5 into 1 by 3, right? That means 1 by 3 to be added 5 times. So we are starting with 1 by 3 and how many times we should repeat 1 by 3? 5 times. So first one, it is 2 by 3 now. Again second time 3 by 3. Again third, fourth and fifth. So here we are reached, right? So 1 by 3 we added 5 times 1 by 3. So what you got there? 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is same as 2 only. So we got the answer on the number line. It is equal to 2. So 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. By calculation method we are done. And here on the number line also we checked the value. So we got the answer is 2 only. We are adding the positive number 1 by 3, positive rational number here with the 1 by 3. So we are moving right side of the number line. So final answer is what? 6 by 3 equal to 2. 1 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7. So what it is equal to? 7 is the denominator. So again like fraction. So 1 minus 2. Numerator we should simplify. So 1 minus 2 means minus 1 by 7. Now how it will be in the on the number line? So from where we have to start? So 1 by 7, right? 1 by 7 is here. Already we have marked the number line and take the denominator as a 7 only. So 0 by 7 is here. This side all negative terms and here all are positive. So 1 by 7, but this time we are adding with which one? The negative of 2 by 7. That is negative 2 by 7 means 2 into minus 1 by 7 we can say, or we can say minus only. So we are moving backward direction or left side. So first time, again second time. What is the answer we are getting? Minus 1 by 7. So by this method, simplification method as well as the number line method, we are getting the same answer only. So what is the answer? The minus 1 by 7. So what we have to show here means when we are adding a positive rational number, we are moving right side of the number line. When we are adding a negative rational number to the given rational number, we are moving the left side. By the both the way we have seen that the answer is same here also as well as on the number line also. So what we have done, we are added the like fractions now. When it is a like fractions, that means the denominator are same. We have to add the numerator keeping the same denominator. Now, if that is the case means what we should do for the rational numbers with a different denominator? How do we add all these rational numbers which is having different denominator? So the question is minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 3. We have to go for the LCM only. So the same method we have studied in the fraction chapter also. When we are having the different denominator, we first find the LCM. Since both are prime numbers 7 and 3, the LCM equal to 21, right? LCM equal to 21 only. So I'll write here 21. That means 7 is already there. So minus 3 to be multiplied with the 3 here. So minus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 7. Why it is 7? 3, 2 should be multiplied with the 7 here. So what is the answer here? Minus 9 plus 18 divided by 21. That means 11 by 21. right? So our answer is 11 by 21. Now what is the next question? Minus 5 by 6 plus minus 3 by 11, both are minus only. So here also LCM we have to go. LCM equal to 66, we will take LCM equal to 66. So here we'll write a 66. Now what is the number to be multiplied here? 11, and here 6 only, right? So minus 5 into 11 minus 55, and minus 3 into 6 minus 18. What is the sum there? Minus 55 and 8, it is minus 73 by 66. You can convert it into mixed fraction, otherwise keep it like this only. Minus 1 into 7 by 66. Got the answer? So what is the point we are learning here? Means when we are here having the different denominator, the same theory what you are learned in the fraction chapter, that is find the LCM and go for the equivalent rational numbers, and keeping the LCM as the denominator, right? After that we will add the two rational numbers only. So the same procedure we are doing here also. Here say according to the sign we have to follow the theory. That's all only. So when they are having the like fractions, we just add the numerator. When we are having the different denominator, we have to go for LCM and continue the steps. Next topic is additive inverse. You already know this word when you studied integer chapter also. Now my question is that what is minus 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5? Since the denominator is same, we will write 5 only. Minus 7 plus 7, it is equal to 0 by 5, it is equal to 0, right? So minus 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5 equal to 0, right? Now we have getting the same way. If I am writing here minus 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5 equal to 0, again this I am writing the first number 7 by 5 plus minus 7 by 5, still we are going to get the 0 only. So when you are studied the integer chapter, you are studied that 2 if you are taken, then additive inverse, integer is this, right? And what is additive inverse of this? Equal to minus 2. That means if we are taken minus 7, the additive inverse will be 7. That means we are changing the sign. The same we are extending for rational numbers also. That means we can say that 7 by 5 is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 5, and minus 7 by 5 is the additive inverse of 7 by 5. Now when you add a number and its additive inverse, you are going to get a additive identity, that is 0, right? So once again, what is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 9? My question is, what is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 9? We should write additive inverse of minus 3 by 9 equal to 3 by 9. Just to change the sign we got. Now if you understood this one, what is the 9 by 11 additive inverse? Additive inverse of 9 by 11 is minus 9 by 11. So this question when we are asking in the question paper, usually what the children will do, because they know the answer, so they will take down the question like this: minus 3 by 9 equal to 3 by 9. This is wrong. Minus 3 by 9 never equal to 3 by 9. So if the question is asked for additive inverse, you should write like this: additive inverse of the given number, that is minus 3 by 9 equal to 3 by 9. Once again I'll write the question now. What is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 9? It is equal to 3 by 9. What will be the additive inverse of 5 by 7? Which point I explained last time, that is only just now I explained this point. In question paper we will ask the question like this: write the additive inverse, or what will be the additive inverse of 5 by 7. So some children what they will write: 5 by 7 equal to minus 5 by 7. That is wrong. What you should write means solution we will write here, and we should write like this: additive inverse of 5 by 7 equal to minus 5 by 7, right? Otherwise, what is the mistake you are going to do there means you will write the answer. If minus 5 by 7 you are directly writing, there is no problem. Some children what will write, they will take that on the question like this, and it is equal to minus 5 by 7. They will not write it is additive inverse, and you know that 5 by 7 is never equal to minus 5 by 7, right? So like this, if you are writing answer for this question, you will not get the mark. So don't do that error. Every year we are telling, still one or two children will do the same thing only. So additive inverse, if it is asked, just write the sentence once again and complete the answer. For this question it is minus 5 by 7. So what is the concept here? Just we have to change the sign, that's all. Subtraction, the question is 7 by 9 minus 2 by 5. What we can write? 7 by 9 plus minus 2 by 5. So now the LCM is 45, that is 9 into 5. So here we have to multiply it with the 5, and here we have to multiply with the 9. So 7 5s are 35 minus 18. What is the answer we will get? 8 plus 7 15, balance 1 2 plus 1 17 by 45 we are getting. That means what we have done here we are doing the change of sign, that is plus we are doing after taking the sign of minus 2 by 5. Additive inverse we are doing after taking the additive inverse of the second number that is to be being subtracted. So here how we'll understand means, here minus is there already. If you consider here it is plus, right? So if additive inverse of plus 2 by 5 means what? Minus 2 by 5. That is, we have taken minus 2 by 5 as the additive inverse of plus 2 by 5. After that, what is to be done? We should add. Understood this one, what you have to do? So I'll explain with the next example, then it will be more clear. First I'll convert it is into improper fraction. 2 integer 1 by 5, it is equal to 11 by 5. Now what I told, I should take the additive inverse of minus 1 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 1 by 3 is plus 1 by 3, right? Now subtraction should be changed to plus. So what is happening here? 15 is the LCM. Here we should multiply it with the 3. Here we have to multiply it with the 5. So 33 plus 5, it is equal to 38 by 15. Next question, 7 by 8 minus 5 by 9. This question why I am doing means, for understanding the concept only. You already know this how to do the simplification and all. Integers and fractions, both the chapter you have learned this concept. Now listen here, fractions what happened, that many negative values will not come there. So here I'll explain once again. It is equal to, what we should do? We should do the subtraction means, while doing the subtraction, what should do here? The second term, that is 5 by 9, if you consider that one, it's additive inverse. Now what is the present sign here? It is plus, right? So here in bracket I'll write the additive inverse of plus 5 by 9. It is minus 5 by 9. Right? Now the subtraction to be changed into addition. Now again the same rule, addition means LCM we have to take 8 and 9. Here 72, here we should multiply it with 9, here we have to multiply it with 8. That means 63 minus, we have to multiply it with 8 here. So it is 63 minus 40, it is equal to 23 by 72. So what we are doing? Taking the additive inverse of the number which is to be subtracted, right? Additive inverse of the which is to be subtracted. And what we should do? Then the subtraction sign we can go for additions. So what is the rule here? While doing the subtraction, so what we learned here, while subtracting two rational number, while subtracting two rational numbers, okay, we add additive inverse of the rational number of the rational number that is being subtracted, that is being subtracted to the other rational number. Okay, what we learned, we have to add the additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted to the other rational number. This is the theory we have learned there. We add the additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted. I think the point is very clear to you. Actually, you know that one, how to do the calculations very easily you people will do, but this is the theory behind all these things. Subtraction, what is that one? While subtracting two rational numbers, we add additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted to the other rational number. Operation is multiplication only. So how to do the multiplication for this question? Minus 2 by 5 into 3. That means minus 2 by 5 is repeated 3 times. So what is the answer we are going to get? Because the denominator is same, we can add a numerator. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 means minus 6 by 5. Now how to do this one means minus 2 by 5 into 3 by 1 only. So our answer is minus 2 into 3, it is equal to minus 6 by 5. Now let us see all these things in the number line. We have to start minus 2 by 5 3 times. So 0 minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So the first time we are taking here minus 2 by 5. Now the second time it is here, so minus 4 by 5. Now one more time, so it will reach minus 6 by 5. So that means equal times of we are doing minus 2 by 5 3 times. First time, second time, third time. So what is the answer we are getting? Minus 6 by 5 on the number line. Multiplication, as we know that it is a repeated addition. So minus 2 by 5 is added 3 times. Still we are getting the answer same only there also. And number line also we checked. So we are getting this minus 6 by 5 is the answer. Minus 3 by 5 into 9. That means minus 3 by 5 is repeated for 9 times. What we should do means minus 3 by 5 into 9 by 1. So what is the rule for this one? Numerator into numerator. Minus 3 into 9 divided by 5 into 1. That is numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So our answer is minus 27 by 5. Now I'll go for the second question. Already they are both are rational numbers. So what is the rule? Numerator into numerator. So minus 6 into 2 divided by 5 into 5. What is the question? Minus 6 by 5 into 2 by 5. So it is equal to minus 6 into 2, that is equal to minus 12 divided by 25. One more question. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 9 by 7. Numerator into numerator. Minus 5 into minus 9. 8 into 7, that is denominator into denominator. Minus into minus plus only. 5 into 9, 45. 8 7s are 56. Anything you can cancel. You can cancel also. You can simplify and write the answer. Since I am teaching this theory only. So what is the rule? Multiplication of two rational numbers means product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. So what we learned here, product of two rational numbers equal to product of the numerator by product of the denominator. Product of the two rational numbers is equal to product of the numerator by product of denominator. Operation, that is division. So we have studied about reciprocals in a fraction chapter also. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 7? It is equal to 7 by 2, right? That is numerator will become denominator and denominator is going to be numerator. We are interchange the numerator and denominator. Now what is the question means? The same concept we are extending to rational numbers also. So what is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 3. I told that numerator will become the denominator. So minus 5 will become in the denominator and 3 will go to the numerator. It is same as minus 3 by 5 also, but specifically if they are asking the question, this should be the expected answer, right? So similarly, what is the reciprocal of minus 9 by 11? It is equal to 11 by minus 9. So we should write always like this: reciprocal of minus 9 by 11 equal to 11 by minus 9. Now what is the next step? What is the product of reciprocals? That means when we are writing minus 9 by 11 into 11 by minus 9, what will happen? Product of the reciprocals, minus 9 by 11 and 11 by minus 9. So 11 will cut, minus 9 will cut. So what is the answer we are getting? 1. Similarly for anything, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 3? It is minus 3 by 5 only. So just interchange the numerator and the denominator. So what is the answer you are getting? Again it will get cut, cancel, 1 equal to 1 only. So what is the conclusion we are getting from here? Means the product of a rational number with its reciprocal is always 1, right? So the 1 is called multiplicative identity. In the additive inverse case, what we told is 0 is called additive identity. When we add additive inverse of the number, then we'll get this 0 there. So here when we are multiplying the number and its reciprocal, we are getting multiplicative identity. So what is the concept here? The product of a rational number with its reciprocal is always equal to 1 only. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Again, minus 16 by 3 is the number. What is the reciprocal? It is 3 by minus 16. So it is equal to 1. I think you got the idea. Now we can go for the division. To divide one rational number by the other rational number, we multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other. So we already learned the same concept in fractions, just I have to explain only. So 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 7, it is equal to 4 by 9, no change. The reciprocal of 5 by 7, it is equal to 7 by 5. Next, division is changed into multiplication. So 4 by 9 into 7 means numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So 28 by 45, right? Now what is the next rule? 6 by minus 5, there is no change. We should change the division to multiplication after taking the reciprocal of the second. So 1 by 3 means it is 3 by 1. Again nothing we can cancel. Now it's a multiplication rule. What is the multiplication rules? Numerator into numerator, that is 6 into 3, 18. Next minus 5 into 1, it is minus 5, or we can write minus 18 by 5, and you can go for the mixed fraction, that is minus 3 into what is the here 3 5s are 15, balance 3 only, so it is 5 here. Next, the 2 by 9 divided by 3. What we should do? 2 by 9, there is no change. After taking the reciprocal of 3 means it is 3 by 1 is the number now. So what is the reciprocal of 3 means? It is into 1 by 3. After that the division is changed into multiplication. Now multiplication rule, numerator into numerator, 2 into 1 divided by 9 into 3, that is equal to 2 by 27. Got now? What we are doing here, the reciprocal of the second number. See that 5 by 7 became 7 by 5, 1 by 3 became 3 by 1, and 3 by 1 became 1 by 3. Now the division is changed into multiplication rule. We have to follow the multiplication rule only. So already this type of the patterns we have studied in the fractions. Little bit extensions according to the sign only we have to think little bit. Nothing else. No new rule there. The same rule what we have learned in the fraction chapter only. So continue the same. Today's class I am winding up. Thank you.